guys, good morning. Ito, walang ligo. Ito yung si Georgie. Oh. Grumpy kay gusto niya maglantaw og computer. Pero dili na ko siya pwede mabiyaan kay magtutuyok sa lingkuranan, delikado mahulog.
Mama? Wait lang. Put my... I wrote the next thing. Eyebrow powder tissue guys, ang brand is for more. Mamurahin niya ang pati yung eyebrow brush. Ito ulit kilay. Wala ka lang kuan. Pag mata perme. Ang pante rin. Hindi ako basta sa makeup. Kaya makeup minsan sa akin. Diyan. Wala.
How many for mommy? How many cookies for mommy? Count.
1, 2, 3.
Louder.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Slowly. So you can count correctly.
5.
5. Very good. Is that for you?
No, have 6.
Okay, I'll have 6. And then the 3 cookies is for Mimi. Mimi is a Hello Kitty stuffed toy. That's too much love. Mommy will eat paksiw.
Mommy, what's this one?
After I eat my fish. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Okay, move your plate because I need to put my plate on your table. Can I share your table? Oh, look what Mommy's having. Fish paksiw. Say fish paksiw. Paksiw. Wanna try?
No.
There's eggplant, okra, ladyfinger, and sea bass. The name of the fish is
Siba.
sea bass. Very good. Now sit down.
What's it?
Sit down, sit down. Don't move it.
My hands.
Kain tayo, guys.
I move.
This is Mommy's breakfast. And that's Georjess's snack because she had her breakfast around 9 o'clock. She had red rice. She called red rice if I put spaghetti sauce with rice. So it turns color red. Very good. Okay, sir.
It's altered.
Did you?
Yes.
You have to say, excuse me, mommy.
That's Susie, Mommy.
Is it stinky?
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's very nice, my bum bum.
Your thought is very nice.
Because you want to touch it.
What's inside your bag? What's inside your bag? Oh no, where's your lipstick?
You mind, Mommy? Oh, to this house.
You want me to find it?
Yes, you. Oh, to this house.
No. I took it from your bag yesterday because mommy went out for the salon. So guys, kaya ganahan mo siya mag-lip gloss. Po siya lip balm. Wait lang, asa man ito. No, I'll give it back to you. Close your eyes. Mommy have surprise for you. Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Oh, my lipstick.
Open it.
And do you like it?
You don't like it? But you're still putting on your lips if you don't like it.
Good.
Oh, have a look. Have a look here. See yourself.
What about you, Mommy? No, eat it.
No, I won't eat it. It's not food.
This Fish. Just good. This fish.
What? Aray ko.
This fish.
What fish?
Fish. Vegetable. Fish good for you, mommy.
Fish is good for you too. That's why mommy give you tuna when you, with your rice. Enough now. Only put little bit. You look pretty now?
Yes.
Uh,
No, not yet.
not yet. That's enough, huh? Just like this. Oh, I'll show you. Dala, dala. Wipe on your lips. There you go. Oh, tapos na, tapos na. Put it in your bag. Put the lid back on.
No.
Where's the lid?
Yes.
And now put inside your bag.
Oh, I need lipstick again.
You need to put lipstick again. Why? You put already. Ah, that's too much. That's enough now. Okay, put it back.
Oh,
No, 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 no. That's enough. Okay, give it back to me. Give it back to me.
no, not yet.
Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Look at the camera. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Kain tayo.
Tayo.
So thank you for watching
Thank you for watching
for my videos.
my videos.
And please
Please
don't forget
get
to
to
like
like
and subscribe.
and try.
Guys, first time pa namin to, guys. Oh, sige, bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Auntie Dewey.
Bye-bye, Auntie Julie. Give flying kiss to everyone. Flying kiss, say, I love you all.
I love you too.